Sometimes when you come to your car, you unlock and you see this message, key battery needs replacing. And today we are going to talk about how to replace a battery in your remote. For our fob, I'm using this pouch, which is a silicone rubber, just to protect it so it doesn't get scratched. So I have to remove it from the case, which is not easy, as you can see. It's anti-slip. Okay, on the bottom of your remote you will notice this slot away from next to the Model S logo, and I remember last time I almost broke my nail, but no, it's actually this one. Model S comes off, and I'll use a little bit of help here. So I'll gently pop it that way and it comes off on the floor. And now we are revealing battery. This battery is 2032 battery. What I'm going to do is, it's got 3 legs that hold it in position. So I'll see how this is gonna work, and I don't want to drop the battery, so oops, and she's out on the floor again. Okay, now we'll get a fresh battery, 2032 lithium battery. Let's see. Okay, and again there is these 2 little legs there that are holding it in place, so I have to go actually the other way. I'll start with the 1 and push it against that one, and then it will pop in, and she's in beautifully. And now we'll just close the lid. As it was on the floor, it's a bit dirty. One thing, especially now we have winter in Australia, it's quite cold, so I bet that battery also dropped in voltage because it's cold. So it's a great testing ground. Winter actually tests the batteries the best. So if you are, let's say, if you are somewhere you don't have the battery available straight away, you can just hold this battery or hold a remote in your hand to warm it up, and that way you increase the voltage in it just till you get access to your new battery, to your new replacement. So of course, because it's cold here, that's why, and warming up will bring it back to operational voltage for a while. And now let's see if I can close this back in. And so always start with this first when closing. No, not that way. Those 2 legs. That's a bit tricky here. Okay, so here first, and then those 2 are pushed in. And we have a remote, and let's see if the sign disappeared from the dash. Yes, it did. And the battery is replaced. Drive safely and enjoy electric vehicles.